Hello everyone. In this video we will compare LibreCAD and QCAD. First, let's talk about LibreCAD. LibreCAD is a free, open-source 2D CAD application that works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It supports many drawing tools like lines, splines, circles, and ellipses, along with text, dimensions, and hatches. One of its key features is the use of layers, which allow you to separate different parts of a drawing and manage them independently. However, some users find that LibreCAD may lack certain advanced features and smoother performance compared to more mature or paid alternatives. Now let's move on to QCAD. QCAD is also a 2D CAD application developed by Ribbonsoft. It supports a wide range of tools for drawing and modification, including points, lines, arcs, circles, polylines, splines, text, dimensions, and hatch patterns. QCAD offers strong layer and block support, as well as the ability to import and export DXF, DWG, and other formats. While there is a free community edition available, QCAD also offers a professional version with extra features such as advanced printing tools, additional file format support, and scripting options. In summary, choose LibreCAD if you prefer a free open-source solution with basic tools. Choose QCAD if you value polish, performance, and professional add-ons. Thanks for watching.